I came from England in 2015 with 2 children, both babies at the time, and didn't really think too much about how as a family we were going to develop into the Welsh until obviously school started to get into my thoughts. So I enrolled both the children into the Cymraeg in Blant and was frightened to death. Arrived on the first day and people were speaking Welsh fluently, and I just thought, this is not for me, I will never be able to do this. But by the end of the class, I was singing songs, didn't understand the words that I was saying, but I was singing them, and that helped me with pronunciation, and the children loved it. So we came to that every week, and if there was any other extra events going on that Rianne Green was running, I would go to them and try and get my friends to come along too with their children. When the children started school, I did get quite a lot of my English friends saying they shouldn't be going to Welsh Stream, they're not Welsh, and it'd be very difficult, and I did have a bit of a wobble. And they started, and again within like 2 weeks they were coming home speaking Welsh, so that made me then think, and I need to now get on top of this as well. So I enrolled with Rianne Green doing the Cooch Club, and that has enabled me to be able to help my children with their homework. I can read with them, sing with them, spell and do colours. And now I'm currently today enrolling on a Meddiad course and doing level 1 and 2 in hope that by the end of the year I will also be fluent in Welsh to hopefully help me start a career here in Wales, so fingers crossed I can do really well. For me, learning the Welsh and coming to Cymraeg Blant and the Club Cooch has just made me feel part of Wales. I'm an English girl, but this is now my home, and the Welsh language has just brought my life complete into this area.